Hello, Dr. Byron C. Phillips, MBA, your professor, your consultant, and your tennis pro. The topic for the video is, can we teach and train students, employees, and clients to be effective listeners and thereby more productive leading people? Do you know any good listeners? Have you ever taught or had a course in listening skills? The late great Stephen Covey wrote that we should seek to understand rather than always seeking to be understood. We know the latter is what we usually see in our personal, private, and professional lives. People who say, "You don't understand me," whereas they should be trying to understand the other perspective to learn how to be a passive, active, and empathic listener and action person. Listening is indeed the rarest of all skills, even more rare than effective questioning. The person who masters the skills of active and passive listening will build trust, show compassion, and make empathic gains in all he or she does. At First Tee, they use the ALR method. A stands for ask many questions. L is listen to understand. And R is learn to reflect passively and to respond actively, and understanding the importance of moments of silence. Erica Dhawan, the author of the book Digital Body Language, is an astute leader in this area and offers some key ways that we can model effective listening in digital communication. Number one, fast response times. We must reply and respond in almost real time to be effective. Two, we must answer all questions. Three, sometimes we need to ask, can I call you? In that way, we can clarify muddy and points that are unclear. Four, seek to not interrupt others. Five, ask clarifying questions. And six, allow others to share some ideas. Become one of a kind. Be one in a million. Learn to be a passive and active listener.